Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can turn off your safe chat in Roblox. It's pretty simple. First you want to go to roblox.com, the official website of Roblox. Search for roblox.com, it's going to take you over here. But first it's going to ask you to log in into your account. So log in into your Roblox account first and come to this page. Once you're over here, you can see the setting icon at the top right. Click on the setting icon and then it's going to show you the settings option. You want to click on setting. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. Now from settings over here, in order to turn off your safe chat, you need to verify your age, which means Roblox need to know you're above 18. For that, you can click on verify my age. For that, it's going to ask you for your document and other stuff. After you provide all your documents and all the other stuff and verify your age on Roblox, what you can do is go on this option called privacy, and from inside privacy you can see this option called chat filtering level. Make sure it's set in 13 plus, or make sure it's set on the highest level like 18 plus. All right, make sure it's 18 plus, but if you don't have that option you can just set 13 plus, and that basically should fix your problem. Your chat filter should be off. So that's how we guys can turn off your chat filtering by switching its level from 13 plus or 18 plus. If it is below 13 plus, like it's basically a chat filtering is not going to be off. Most of the rough words are going to be blurred. But if you don't want it to be blurred, you can just make sure it's above 13 plus or 18 plus if you have the option. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.